Have you ever wondered what exactly goes into running a successful business? It's a complex process that's wrapped up in one term: business management. In essence, it's the art and science of organizing, planning, and directing resources to meet organizational objectives. Picture an orchestra conductor who, without playing any instrument, ensures all musicians work in harmony to create beautiful music. That's business management in action. It's a vast field ranging from planning strategies and allocating resources to inspiring employees and controlling processes. The four main pillars of business management are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Each plays a crucial role in achieving efficiency and effectiveness within an organization. Business management is not just about profit and loss. It's about people, processes, and the harmony between them. It's about making decisions that impact lives, shaping the future of organizations, and ultimately contributing to society. In essence, business management is the backbone that keeps a business standing and thriving. Now that we have a basic understanding of business management, let's delve into its key functions. These functions are the backbone of any organization, setting the stage for success and growth. They are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. First up, we have planning. This is the initial stage where goals are set and strategies are formulated to achieve these goals. Think of it as drawing a map for your journey. Here, managers perform tasks like market research, competitive analysis, and financial forecasting to ensure the business is on the right track. Next, we have organizing. Organizing involves setting up the structure of the organization and allocating resources. This function is all about creating teams, defining roles and responsibilities, and establishing effective communication channels. It's like setting up the pieces on a chessboard, each with a specific role and purpose. Leading then takes the stage. This function is about motivating and inspiring employees to achieve the organization's goals. Leading requires strong communication, interpersonal, and decision-making skills. A good leader is like a ship's captain, guiding the crew through stormy seas to reach their destination. Finally, we have controlling. This function involves monitoring performance, measuring results, and making adjustments as needed. It's like a feedback loop that ensures everything is running smoothly and efficiently. Here, managers analyze data, conduct performance reviews, and set up mechanisms for feedback and improvement. Each of these functions is a critical piece of the puzzle. Planning sets the course, organizing arranges the pieces, leading motivates the team, and controlling ensures everything is on track. A well-managed business is like a well-oiled machine, where every part works together seamlessly. Each function of management plays a vital role in this process. It's important to understand that these functions are not isolated. They interact and overlap, creating a dynamic system that drives the business forward. These four functions, when executed properly, form the foundation for successful business management. They provide a roadmap for managers, guiding them in their decision-making and problem-solving efforts. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established business leader, understanding these functions is crucial to your success. Being a successful business manager requires a unique blend of hard and soft skills. First, we have leadership, the ability to inspire, motivate, and guide others. A good leader can steer their team towards success while fostering a positive and productive work environment. Second, communication. An effective manager knows how to express ideas clearly and persuasively, whether in writing or speaking. Third, decision-making. This involves analyzing information quickly and making sound choices under pressure. Fourth, problem-solving. A key skill is the ability to identify and resolve complex challenges, turning obstacles into opportunities. Fifth, financial literacy. Understanding financial statements and key metrics is crucial for making informed business decisions. Sixth, strategic thinking. Seeing the big picture and making long-term plans is a must. Seventh, teamwork. A successful manager knows how to collaborate effectively with others. And lastly, adaptability. The business world is ever-changing, and a good manager must be able to adjust and thrive in changing circumstances. With these skills, a business manager can effectively lead and guide their team towards achieving their goals. Business management is not a one-size-fits-all field. It encompasses various specialized areas. Let's dive into some of these areas. First, we have marketing. This area focuses on generating leads, promoting products or services, and building brand awareness. It's all about reaching the right audience at the right time with the right message. Then, there's operations. This is where the magic happens, managing production, supply chains, and inventory. It's all about ensuring that the business runs smoothly and efficiently. Finance is another critical area. It covers managing financial resources, budgeting, and risk management. It's all about keeping the business financially healthy. Human resources, often the backbone of a business, involves recruiting, developing, and managing employees. It's all about creating a productive and harmonious workplace. Lastly, information technology is becoming increasingly important. It involves utilizing technology to optimize operations and communication. Each of these areas plays a crucial role in the overall management of a business. So why is business management so important? Well, imagine a symphony without a conductor, or a ship without a captain. Without effective management, an organization is just like that, disjointed and directionless. Business management serves as the rudder that steers the entire organization towards its objectives. It ensures smooth operations, maximizes efficiency, motivates employees, and ultimately leads to the achievement of organizational goals. But just knowing the basics isn't enough. The field of business management is as diverse as it is dynamic. Like the many layers of an onion, it reveals more complexities and nuances as you delve deeper. Whether it's exploring different management theories, focusing on a specific industry, or mastering a specialized area like human resources or marketing, the learning never ends, and that's the beauty of it. Remember, the world of business management is vast and ever-evolving. Continuous learning is the key to success in this dynamic field.